Good morning, everyone. It's Stephen Webby here. Well, as you see, I can have the boy, but I see my mom's car is cold outside. So now I had to start my mom's car way well up. So here's a cold start on my mom's 2011 Toyota Venza. Oh my goodness! Oh, that's the smart egg C system. Oh. And now I think, it's not there. I have to go to the other side. I put my foot on the brake. I push the button to start. As you can see, I think my dad had to take me to something. But as you saw, probably that's why the seat's folded down. Now let's get to the other side and we'll start this thing. As you can see, we got some snow. So I said, that's because this would be a good time to cold start my mom's car. Okay. Here's the dashboard. See? Put your foot on the brake until the green light. Then push the button to start. Oh, that's one chap. Yeah, I will want that. There we go. There you go, our love country. I'm now gonna give you an outside tour of the car for a little bit. Hey, when we talk temperature. I will install everything, but typical for a cold engine. Here we go. Well, I gotta go now. Like they said, you can always depend on the Toronto on a cold day. Okay, bye.